Hey everybody, it's time for Art Factory, and I'm your host, Miss Marissa. This is going to be a short but sweet episode about someone special in my life and yours. And no, I'm not talking about the Queen, but she's here too. Hey, Your Majesty! Oh yes, of course, you're always special to me no matter what. In fact, your birthday was last week, right? On the 12th? Was it amazing? Was it magical? It was everything you hoped and more. Wow, I bet you got a lot of cards on your birthday. You did, from the princes and the other kingdoms and the other princesses. Wow, that sounds awesome. Getting a card can make us feel really special. Did you know that tomorrow on Wednesday is Administrative Assistant Day? And we have an administrative assistant in our school. Her name is Miss Johnson. She keeps everything running for us so that nothing is all over the place and crazy. We have a lot to thank her for. So I think we should make a card for Miss Johnson for Administrative Assistant Day. You're going to need a few things. Just a nice colorful piece of paper, some stickers to decorate, a nice little message, a marker, and some handy dandy glue. I'm just gonna make it right here. First, you want to go ahead and put the message inside. Mine is a nice thank you for Miss Johnson and I love Miss Marissa. After your message is nice and secure, take some stickers and decorate. I think I'm gonna use some stars. You can even use a marker to write a message or to draw on the outside. I'm gonna write a big thank you. And a few more stars. And done. Wow, this thank you card looks awesome. Thank you on the outside, message on the inside, stars all around. Do you think she'll like it, Your Majesty? You do? It's great to make cards to tell someone that you appreciate them. I hope Miss Johnson loves all of our cards. I know she will. All right, guys. Well, thank you for this special episode of Art Factory. Until then, see you next time.